Hi guys, it's Lily here at Donnelly Ford of Ashland, and right behind me I have a 2021 Chevy Suburban High Country with only 47,000 miles.
As soon as you open the driver's side door, your side steps fold out for you. Over here we do have memory seats along with power folding mirrors. We get a trailer brake, HUD, a parking assistance, lane keeping. We get power seating on both sides along with heated seats and cooled seats. Here in front, you get your adaptive cruise and heated steering wheel. Here in the second row, we get plenty of space with these captain chairs, and it's also heated.
Your passengers in the back have a ton of room as well.
My favorite thing about this Suburban is there's no more heavy lifting with the seats. They all go down for you. And then the third row will come up for you as well. Giving you plenty of cargo space in the back.
So if you or anyone that you know is in the market for a 7-passenger vehicle, please send them my way or stop in the Ashland store and ask for Lily.